Okay. Yes. So, very good morning, everyone. We are having EVS test from two basic chapter. One is the chapter wherein it is talking about the personality, important personalities, and another one is this is the last chapter. Tell anyone quickly about what are the 20 and 20, sorry, 21 and 22, na? What is this chapter number 22 is from, of which topic? Natural disaster, exactly. So if you're talking about natural disaster, then basically it can be asked for all the different types of natural disasters, okay, especially droughts or which is the natural disaster which happens due to heavy rains or when the droughts happen. So this type of all questions will maybe ask what are the steps which we can do at the time of earthquakes or how earthquakes arises, because here it is all about the MCQ questions, small types of questions. So herein basic thing you need to understand as like if you are talking about important personalities, then it can be asked for the name of such person or when they got such type of, as like if we are talking about the black president, okay. So when he become first black president, or if we are talking about the Mother Teresa, then it can be asked when she become monk or when she was awarded by the Nobel Prize and all. So कब उनको Nobel Prize मिला या कब उनका birth हुआ है या कब उन्होंने इस तरह से किसी को अगर कुछ particular designation दिया गया है, when he got that, or in which field they walk, as like if it is asking for Kailash Satyarthi, so it can be asked Kailash Satyarthi is work for in which field, okay, or it can be asked among these personalities who work for the equality of women, women का equality के लिए किसने काम किया है, ठीक है, तो किसने काम किया था equality for the equality of women's, which personality was that who work for the equal rights of the women, वुमेन को इक्वल राइट्स दिलाने के लिए मलाला यूसुफजई, एग्जैक्टली मलाला यूसुफजई, वेरी नाइस. सो हाँ, यस, सो except that it can be asked for another personalities also, and after then if we are talking about test paper 1 and 2, test paper 2 and assessment 4, so some questions are there also which are based on the previous chapters also, which are based on the previous topics also. So all those things you need to keep in mind, all those things you need to revise. So in EVS, anyone thinking about any topic which you not understood, koi hai? Exactly. So the personalities, we don't have so much of personalities in the book. So beyond the books also, sometime it can be asked about the current affairs, abhi ka jo bhi personalities hai, important personalities hai, about those, और अभी का जो भी नेचुरल डिजास्टर्स इस तरह से कुछ अगर कहीं आया हुआ है या समथिंग लाइक दैट, दैट कैन बी आस्क्ड. सो everything will be related to the topic only, and in EVS I don't think, as per my understanding, ki anyone will face any problem, but still if anyone having any doubts in any particular topic, you can say, so that we can discuss and further we can move to the mathematics में दिक्कत होता है normally because it is several mix of several types of questions in this masculine. If you are talking about mental mathematics, there is different chapters, different topics, different exercises are there, and this is the time when we are taking it together 12 or 13 chapters. So the problem will be like you will not be able to understand what to do and how to do, basically, especially in word problems में ज़्यादातर जो है प्रॉब्लम पेश आता है, ठीक है. तो हम लोग मैथ्स का ही कुछ आज रिवीजन करते हैं, और EVS का कुछ टॉपिक अगर है किसी के माइंड में तो आप पूछ सकते हो, यू कैन आस्क. सो फर्स्ट, if we start from the beginning, first exercise wherein it is talking about the word how we can write the number names. So one number names, or it is asking about the place value of the number. So one number is here 3 4 4 5 3 4 4 5 2 3 4 4 5 2 6 3 4 2 6 3 4 2. Here it is asking the place value of 5. So quickly tell me everyone, what will be the place value of 5 in this? इसमें place value क्या होगा 5 का? What will be the place value of 5 in this? So you have to tell the place value of 5 in this. Okay? Yes, very nice. So 5 multiplied by the places of the number will be the place value of this number. So here we have 5 multiplied by 1 and 1 2 3 4 5 times 0. 1 2 3 4 5. So this will become 5 and 5 times 0. Okay? Yes, whoever answer is 5 and 5 times 0 is absolutely correct answer. Sir, assessment 4 question will be from chapter 18 to 22 anywhere. So test paper 2, sir, the questions will be from chapter 22 to 10 anywhere. Yes, it can be from anywhere. Yes, it can be from anywhere. That means you have to revise once all the topic related to that. Okay, whatever the questions are there, inside the questions it can be asked. Okay, inside the questions it can be asked. Okay, so here this type of questions will be there in mathematics first. Next, if we talk about the next type of questions which can be asked in maths, that is expressing into international, or if it is in Indian to international, or if it is in international, then it can be asked to express into the Indian. Okay, so here the number is given, any number it can be given, it can ask to express in international also, it can ask to express in Indian also. So here as like 2 3 5 2 1 0 5 2. This is the number which it is given, and it is asking to express in international value. So what we know in international is start with the ones only. So ones, tens, 100. After 100 we will use 1 comma, and then thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. Okay, so thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, and then lakhs. This lakhs, 10 lakhs, 100 lakhs. So if we are talking about international, how we will read this number? Quickly tell me, who can tell? So how we can read it? Because in international what happens? Ones, tens, 100, then thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. After 100,000s, which number will happen? Tell me quickly. सो यहाँ पे तो क्या हो जाता है? आफ्टर 100,000 इट कम्स मिलियन. ओके, तो ये मिलियंस का आ जाता है. मिलियंस, टेंस मिलियंस, 100 मिलियंस एग्जैक्टली. सो 23 million, this is in millions place, 23 millions. Then 521, this is in thousands place, so 521 thousands, and 52 is in first periods. Okay, so these are the periods, and this can be in word like this कि इस तरह से नंबर दिया हुआ रहेगा, right? What will be the international, how we will read this number in international place value system? Like this type of questions can be. Okay. Further, if we move to the next type of questions wherein it can ask about the operations involving large number, as like which will give the least number or which will give the largest number, that can be asked कि सबसे कम रिजल्ट के कौन देगा या सबसे ज्यादा रिजल्ट कब आएगा, when it will give a greater result or when it can give a smaller result. That is the next question. So that type of questions also we have discussed. So further let us move to the HCF and LCM, which is exercise number 3. So quickly tell me everyone one question. The HCF of 400 and 600. So quickly tell everyone what will be the HCF of 400 and 600. 400 and 600 का HCF कितना होगा? I got answer from some of the students. Quickly tell the rest of all. What will be the HCF of 400 and 600? Very nice. So whoever answer is 200 is absolutely correct answer. आपने जो भी process से किया है is absolutely correct. One process we can do here is the division method. Okay, so 600 we have. So what we can do is 400 one time is 400. Okay, so 200 will be remaining. So now this 400 will come here, and this 2 times is equal to 400. Okay, so this is the number highest, so this will be the HCF here now. Okay, so very easily this is what the by dividing method we can, like this long division or like this type, any methods you can find out the HCF. Now one questions will ask related to finding HCF, one question will ask related to finding LCM. So let us discuss one questions related to the LCM also. So quickly tell me everyone what will be the LCM of 15, 20 and 25. 15, 20 and 25 का LCM क्या होगा? जल्दी बताएं. What will be the LCM of 15, 20 and 25? Isa Luharika, just do in your copy. Everyone just do in your copy and then tell. So 15, 20 and 25, these are the three numbers whose LCM you have to find out, lowest common multiple. So to find out LCM we have learned division method also and another several methods also, but here let us use that 15, 20, 25. So first will goes 5 times, 3 5 are 15, 5 4 are 20, 5 5 are 25. Okay, so 5 multiply 3 multiply 4 multiply 5. So check once. 5 3 are 15, 15 4 are 40. Okay, so 60 आ रहा है ना, 50 किस किस का आ रहा था? What is the answer coming? 300. $300 is coming. Okay, let us see how the numbers are. LCM na 15, 20, 25. 15, 20, 25. So 5 times 3 5 are 15, 4 5 are 20, 5 5 are 25. 15, 15 4 are 300. Very good. So 300 will be the answer. Okay. So very nice. So very easily, this is how we can find the LCM of any given number very easily. So one LCM, one HCF may come. After then, let us discuss some question related to fractional number. So as like, suppose 1 minus 14 divided by 15. What will be the answer? Quickly tell me everyone. 1 minus 14 divided by 15. 1 minus 14 divided by 15. कितना होगा बताइए? 1 minus 14 divided by 15. 1 minus 14 divided by 15. Quickly tell. So 13. 15. It will become now 15 minus 14 by 15. So 1 by 15. Right. इसको और डीपली करने जाओगे तो दैट मीन्स 1 by nothing is there means 1 by 1 minus 14 by 15. ठीक है. So here you have to multiply with 15. Here you have to multiply with 15. So this will become 15 minus 14 divided by 15. 1 divided by 15. This is the explanation part. So this much I have not done. So this much steps I have not done. Very directly you can just cross multiply or make that into. So 1 divided by 15 will be correct answer. Okay. So this type of one fractional number question related to fractional number will come. Related to subtraction or addition, whatever. Anything can be there. Further, let us move. If it can be asked about the multiplication or division of the fractional number also. So here one multiplication is there. Suppose 5 divided by 4. 5 divided by 4. And again again 2 whole 1 by 4. नहीं ज्यादा हो जाएगा, 2 ही रखते हैं. 2 2 और 4 5 5 by 2. तो इसको भी 2 ही कर देते हैं. So 5 by 2. So 5 by 2 divided by 2 whole 1 by 2. This is the question. And what will be the result of this? Quickly tell me everyone. 5 by 2 divided by 2 whole 1 by 2. 5 by 2 divided by 2 whole 1 by 2. I got one answer from IUC. Anyone else? कोई और? So I'm getting answer as like from Isa and Vidya also as like 1. Manan also 1. Very nice. So what is the process is? First we have to convert this into the unlike fraction. So the number which it will be 5 by 2 divided by 2 to the 4 plus 1 is 5 by 2. Okay. So 5 by 2 multiply 2 by 5. Okay. So this will cross multiply. I mean this will cancel out. So if these all cancel, then 1 by 1 will be 1 only. So 1 divided by 1 means 1 only. Okay. So very easily this is how you can do the questions like this. Okay. So one question will be from addition or subtraction, and one question will be from multiplication or division will come. Further, let us discuss about some question related to the decimal. The place value, it can be asked, what will be the place value? So one question is there, suppose, write the place value of 1. Write the place value of 1 in 39.81. So in this number you have to write the place value. The place value you have to write of this record number. So place value of 1, quickly tell me what will be, everyone. जल्दी बताएं place value क्या होगा 1 का इसमें. Exactly, very nice. So whoever answer is 1 is absolutely correct answer. हाँ, means 1/100, right? तो यहाँ पे कंफ्यूज ज्यादातर हो जाता है, 100 भी ऑप्शंस में रहता है, so 100 will not be correct answer, 100th will be answer. DTH जहाँ पे रहेगा, that you need to keep in mind, okay? So 100ths. So 100th means not like 100. ये नहीं होता है. 100 का 100ths का मतलब होता है 1 divided by 100. This is the 100ths. Okay. And this is the place value of that. Okay. So ये ध्यान में रखेंगे. इस तरह से क्वेश्चन जब भी पूछा जाता है. It's not 100. It's 100ths. DTH. Further, if we move, it can be asked some questions related to addition or subtraction also. As like third question which we have, one of the question which we have, you have to subtract the number decimal 123 minus 26.83. 26.83 means you have to subtract 26.83 from 123. So quickly tell me everyone what will be the answer. कितना आएगा जल्दी बताएं. 123 से अगर हम लोग 26.83 सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं, what will be the result that you have to tell. इसको सब्ट्रैक्ट करने का जो तरीका है उसको अगर आप लोग ध्यान रखेंगे तो बहुत ही इजीली सब्ट्रैक्ट कर सकते हैं. 123 डेसिमल के बाद कुछ नहीं है तो 0 प्लेस कर देंगे, एंड यहाँ पे 83 एंड बिफोर डेसिमल वी हैव 6 and 2. This is the what you have to write. You have to arrange the numbers. Okay, I can see some of the students are answering also. Let us see the correct answer is. So 3 plus 7 is 10. This will be 9. Then 8 plus 1 is 9. This will be 2. Then 6 plus 6 is 12. And this will be 11. So 9 plus 2 is 11. So 96.17 आ रहा है किसी का? हाँ, 96.17 is absolutely correct answer. So यहाँ पे ऑप्शन में कभी-कभी sometime you will see only the number will be 9617. So some of the students used to do or used to write 9617 only. So which will be wrong. तो जो आंसर होगा डेसिमल देना, don't forget to put the decimal. So you need to put the decimal. Okay, so decimal before 2 digit it will be, because we have the decimal before 2 digit number only. Okay, and after then sometime decimal can be here also. So you need to check it out that decimal should not be before 1 digit, it should be before 2 digit. So sometimes in options you will get options as like 961.7 also. In options it can be given 9.617 also. So those all options will be wrong. So here the correct answer will be 96.17. So options, so all the numbers will be same, just decimal places will be changed. So at that time you need to keep in mind these all things. That's all for today. If anyone having any else doubt in any particular topic, you can ask. Other than these all, rest of all topics, questions will be asked 1 or 2 or 3, max 2 to 3 questions will be from each of the topics which we have discussed or which we have in from 1 to exercise number 13. Okay. Okay. Thank you everyone. Have a good time. Take care and bye bye.